In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to integrate Jotform with Box in just a few minutes. First, let's begin by making sure you're signed in to jotform.com. Head over to the website and enter your credentials to log in. Once you're logged in, you should arrive at your workspace. From here, navigate to the My Forms section. This is where you'll see a list of all the forms you've created. Next, locate the specific Jotform you wish to integrate with Box. Once you've found it, go ahead and open it. You'll be taken to the Form Builder interface. Here, you're going to want to look towards the top for an orange navigation bar. Click on Settings in this navigation bar to bring up a series of options related to your form setup. Now within the settings menu, you'll see a tab labeled Integrations. Go ahead and click on this tab to access the integration options available for your Jotform. It's time to search for Box among the integrations, so type Box into the search bar and it should pop right up. Click on it to proceed to the integration setup. At this stage, you'll see an option to authenticate. Clicking this will prompt you to log into your Box account. Enter your credentials here to link your Box account with Jotform. If you've previously connected a Box account, you should see it listed in a drop-down menu. In that case, select your account from the drop-down and then click the Add Action button. This step ensures that your Box account is ready to be utilized for the integration process. The next step is one of the most crucial ones. You'll need to set up your folders and configure other properties according to your needs. This might include deciding where in Box the Jotform submission should be stored, or if there are specific organizational criteria you want to establish. Take a moment here to ensure everything is exactly how you want it. Once everything is configured to your satisfaction, you're ready for the final step. To complete the integration, click on the Save button. This action finalizes the connection between Jotform and Box, linking your form submissions with the designated folders in your Box account. And that's it, you've successfully integrated Jotform with Box, simplifying how your form data is stored and accessed. If you followed along and completed these steps, you now have a powerful integration that enhances your data management workflows. Thanks for tuning in today, and I hope you found this guide both helpful and informative. Until next time.